Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about Crypto.com Crocoin dipping below a very key price level of 5 cents, as well as I want to talk about the overall crypto market as a whole. Without further ado, I'm giving away this loaded line main city land for the game that was released 2 or 3 days ago. I'm going to keep it open for about 24 hours more, guys, so go follow me at 333 Blacksea and participate in this. There's many more giveaways to come, but check this out. It's going to close in about 24 hours. So let's hop into this. Guys, Bitcoin right now is below $26,000. It is trading, it's basically pretty much pegged halfway between 25,500 and 25,800. We've been bouncing around up and down through that. Bitcoin dominance level sitting at 48.36%. When you exclude stablecoins, we're sitting at about 50.36%. Guys, right now, Bitcoin dominance level is coming down a little bit, but be prepared. I do believe that the Bitcoin dominance level is going to come up to probably the 54-55% as we get closer and closer to this halving. I do think that we have a little bit more pain to come down with on Bitcoin. Usually the year leading into the Bitcoin halving is a 6 to 8 months of green bullish price action, then 6 to 8 months of sideways chop into the downside. And we definitely got our few months of bullish price action, guys. We had about 7 green months. Now we're leaning into the second red month. And September is notoriously a bearish month for cryptocurrency and the traditional market. And I do think we're going to probably be a little bit bearish. I think that we need to move down a little bit more. I think we could probably test the $21,000 price level. I think that there is a chance of that happening, especially if volume dries up at this $25,000 price level. We could get a quick little shakeout to touch 21,000, 22,000 more likely. Get a bounce off that and start moving back into the Bitcoin halving. Because I do think that this capitulation event we had back here before we started off in the bull market is what we really needed. I mean, this was due to a true black swan event. And, after this first black swan event during the pandemic, it created that was just a buzzword calling everything a black swan event, but this was a true black swan event right here, guys. And this is what we really needed before we could have our true takeoff. I mean, this is also fueled by all the money that was printed, but I do think that something similar like that should probably play out. I do think that we might get another capitulation down, a quick capitulation before we start moving up into the Bitcoin halving, guys. So be patient. Don't get shaken out. There's probably a little bit more downside. Be prepared for that. Over on Crocoin, guys, we have broken below the key price level of 5 cents here on this wick. Right now we're trading at about 0.0499 cents. If we close the daily on that, I'll be happy. I'll be happy if we can close out this wick down here, it can get filled, because in my opinion, I think that a lot of the selling pressure is gone from Crocoin. Now, I'm not saying that we can't come down another 10% or so, maybe even 20%. I think more than 20% would be pretty aggressive, but there's still a chance. There's a chance. There's always a chance in trading. All trading is probability and statistics. But I do think that a lot of the sellers are gone. I really do. It really depends on how far Bitcoin comes down. But if Bitcoin comes down to 21,000 really quick, we might see a quick little wick. Now, are we going to go to 3 or 4 cents? That's a big, big move to the downside, guys. We're talking 30, 40%. I don't necessarily think that that's going to happen. There are chances of that happening. If Bitcoin decides to capitulate down, let's say touch 19,000 and trade to the side on 19,000 for a little while, maybe we could have something like that happen over on Crocoin. But I'm really, when I'm laying out all the options on the table, I'm really not leaning towards that. I really am leaning more towards a quick, swift capitulation event that has somewhat of a V-shaped recovery. If Bitcoin has a true heavy capitulation event, the stock market is either going to be right behind it or right in front of it. And we know how Fed Chairman Jerome Powell has been talking. Right now, there has been a CryptoKip was talking about that there was a 97% chance that there was not going to be a raise in rate hikes. Okay, but if you listen to Jerome Powell talk in his previous meeting, he was extremely hawkish. He was talking about how we are due for many more rate hikes, and there's many more, and it was unanticipated. They didn't think that they would have to do it, but now they think they do. So the reason why I'm saying this is, if they start to just slam more rate hikes, the market is not going to like that. The S&P 500, the traditional market, is not going to like that. And it's going to force the Federal Reserve to flip dovish and bullish for a short period of time. Who knows? Maybe they're going to print more money, but I really hope that they don't do that. But maybe they will. Maybe they'll say it. And maybe that will be our quick, swift move to the downside with the catalyst of a starting of the bull market. We're going to have to see, guys. We have to pay close attention. Don't get shaken out. Follow your own strategy. Right now, Crocoin could go a little bit further down, just as so Bitcoin in the overall crypto market. But as of right now, I'm patiently dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm waiting for my entries for altcoins, including Crocoin, Solana, some other altcoins that I'll start to talk about as we get closer and closer to this happening. But right now, I'm holding my bags, dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin and Ethereum. But guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Also, please follow me on 333 Blacksea. I'm super active there. I'm doing this giveaway, giving away this Dune to one lucky winner. Also going to be giving away many, many, many more things. I'm super excited about it. I always have a great time giving back to you guys. Also, please consider becoming a member on the channel. Click the join button on our homepage or below this video. You get access to our private Discord where we have NFT alpha, trade signals, more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I. And on top of that, call us the Mr. Beast of Crypto because we're giving away $500 to one lucky loyal member each month leading into the Bitcoin halving when we reach 100 members on the YouTube channel. Very excited about that, guys. But that's all I got. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.